Now, we've just concluded an extraordinary meeting of the Council of Governors because this was a emergency meeting of sorts. Most governors are still in their counties, so we had the meeting virtually, but our whip and governor of Kericho, Governor Mutai, were able to join physically. But the meeting just ended. It was well attended, and this is a press statement on the resolutions from the special council meeting to discuss the unfortunate utterances by His Excellency Dr. Kahiga Mutai, Governor of Nyeri County, following the demise of the late Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga, CGH. Members of the press, citizens of Kenya. In a country where political awareness runs high, leaders must exercise both caution and deep sense of responsibility in their public utterances. Following our statement issued yesterday, we have convened a special council meeting to deliberate on the interpretation and impact of the utterances made by His Excellency Kahiga Mutahi, the Vice Chair of the Council of Governors, and the mitigation thereof. We wish to reiterate our deep disappointment on the statements by the Governor. We still maintain that these sentiments are his personal remarks that do not reflect or represent the views and the values of the Council of Governors. We therefore disassociate ourselves in toto and condemn these utterances, which were untimely, reckless, and unspeakable, especially at this time of deep mourning. In view of this, the Council has unanimously decided, the Council has unanimously agreed to remove His Excellency Kahiga Mutai from the leadership of the Council as the Vice Chair with immediate effect. We have also agreed that in due course we will hold another meeting where a new Vice Chair will be elected. But as of today, the resolution of this meeting is that the Council has passed a vote of no confidence on His Excellency Kahiga Mutai and has agreed to remove him as Vice Chair with immediate effect. The Council of Governors extends its deepest apologies to the family of His Excellency the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, CGH, on behalf of the 47 county governments of Kenya, for the unfortunate remarks by Governor Kahiga. We continue to mourn with the family during this difficult time and reaffirm our solidarity, our respect, and support to them. The Council remains available to offer any assistance that may be required. We further urge all leaders across the political divide to exercise restraint and mindfulness in their public utterances. As leaders, we must always be guided by the national values and principles of good governance enshrined in our Constitution of Kenya. May the soul of the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, CGH, continue resting in eternal peace. Asanteni sana. I thank you.